What if AI could do more than chat? What if it could actually complete tasks for you? An AI agent is a system that can understand a goal, make a plan, and take actions to achieve it. Unlike traditional AI, agents can observe information, reason through options, and take multiple steps to complete a task. AI agents are already helping businesses automate customer support, marketing, software development, and daily productivity. Because agents can work independently, they save time, reduce repetitive work, and help people focus on higher-value decisions. AI agents are transforming how work gets done. They're not just tools anymore. They're becoming intelligent teammates.